to Target like that. Walmart maybe, but Target no. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is a little different. We are doing a versus battle sponsored by me. I purchased all these units from Outre with my own coin, and we'll be choosing who has the best hairline, okay? There will be timestamps down below, so if you want to get to certain parts of the video, you can definitely do that. But why would you? Okay, you're gonna want to see this battle, okay? And y'all know today is Sip and Slay, so we got our wine on deck. Yes, I got me a new joint right here. One of my fellow YouTubers in Wig Base sent me this joint in the mail, and I'm excited to try it. So shout out to Tiffany, aka Miss Amore in Beauty, for sending me this joint. I really appreciate it, okay? I could not find tropical mango in my area at all. It was like sold out or something. So I was like, okay, if it's sold out, then it must be hidden. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it for ourselves. Switch her around. What is this? What's this? Is that how mango tastes? Now, I've never had a mango. I know. They just never really intrigued me. The initial taste tastes kind of like, is that how mangoes taste? I don't. This is not my favorite. It's leaving me like a I don't know what kind of taste that is. If that's how mangoes taste, I will never eat them. So before we get into these units and what I think about them straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
You don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day, true play away. I can't get her out of my mind, I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing that ride, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's someone she's got to have that. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I want to get in, when I get down so I can win. I like the way you work it, I got the bag in it. I like the way you work it, I got the bag in it. I like the way you work it, I got the bag in it. I like the way you work it, I got the bag in it.
Okay, so first up from Outre, we have a unit from the Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Kamiyah. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color DR2/ginger brown, and she does retail for $37.94 for the natural colors, okay? For this color right here, which is a specialty color, she'll be $2 extra, so that'll be $39.94. This unit does come with soft HD transparent lace from ear to ear, 6 inches deep here in the middle. It also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit does come with an elastic band that you can put around your head to make this unit glueless, which is how this unit is sitting on my head right now. This unit is big head friendly. I had excess around my ears as well as all the lace that was coming down in the front. That's where all the lace is, okay? It's a lace front shortage because of Outre. No glue was on my head. I have on my wig grip. No glue whatsoever, y'all. She's just on my head from that wig grip and that elastic band. Now, the unit is a little bit more plucked here in the front, so the parting space looks a little bit wider just because of that, you know, pluckation or whatever. So if you want to go in with some dark powder to kind of color that in, you can definitely do that. I decided to leave mine because I feel like it looked a little bit more natural for me, so that's why I'm going to rock her like this. The unit does come in a heat resistant fiber, which makes the unit heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I would say this is a definite light yaki type of texture. I didn't use no heat on this unit. I just used my handy dandy wax stick, and I put some of that up here on the top, and then I just pressed her on down. That is it, y'all. And y'all, she is producing some heat around my neck. Ooh, goodness gracious. She's still wearable. Okay, I'm still gonna rock her. Now, I'm getting a little bit of shedding with this unit, maybe like 1 or 2 pieces at a time, and the ginger brown color is the color that everyone wanted. Everyone was going towards that color. Now you know why. Okay, so my mic cut off, so I had to go back and grab my other one. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, this is how that unit's looking to the side, and then to the back, this is how she is looking. You can do some styles with this unit, but it only comes with that lace parting area here in the middle. If you want to do like a half up, half down, you can definitely do that. However, it won't go all the way back. You'll just start the parting here in the front thanks to that pre-plucked natural hairline. So yes, I love the unit. However, However, there are some issues with my particular unit, okay? My cap up here is a little thin. I'm not quite sure why it's so thin. If I just move the hair a little bit, you can definitely see my wig cap under there. I'm also getting track slippage, and I mean legit track slippage. Y'all see that track? I got one there. I got a couple over here. So I got one there. I got one here. Look at the tracks. Okay, and this little joint right here is slipping off. I don't know if anyone else had this issue. Oh, that looks horrible. That looks horrible. I can't go to Target like that. Walmart, maybe, but Target, no. I cannot go to Target like that. I am getting some tangles down here as well, so if you start moving this unit around too much, you will get tangles, but just take your paddle brush or, you know, finger comb that joint and you can get them right on through. This unit could have been 10s across the board without that joint, okay? Without that, I would have been a 10. Shorty is a 10, a 10, now she a, no. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into the next one.
Let me lay on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that a man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to pay nobody's way, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. For me, if you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sing, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangsta league. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me.
So next up we have Jenisse from the Perfect Hairline series. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color DR2/ginger brown, and she does retail for $39.94, not including that $2 upcharge for specialty colors, which mine is. So my unit will be $41.94. This unit does come with a 13x4 lace frontal, so that's 13 inches from ear to ear, 4 inches deep here in the middle. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit also comes with an elastic band that you can put around your head to make this unit glueless. I would say this elastic band in Jenisse is a little bit more sturdy than the ones that are in the Melted Hairline series, just on what I'm feeling for my units. Neither one of them though need to be stretched to capacity, okay? Y'all know my head is 23 inches on a bad day, so I felt that stretch on that joint when I put her around my head, so be careful. I would say this unit is big head friendly based on how it's fitting on my head. It didn't have as much excess on the sides as Kamiyah did, however I still had to cut around my ears to make sure it fit down for me. This unit also comes with HD transparent lace, but this one has a 13x4 lace parting area. I have a flyaway on my lip gloss. You do get a little bit of lace here on the sides, but it's not an actual full-on frontal, and I'm noticing a lot of the synthetic companies are doing that, and it's not an actual frontal that goes all the way across the hairline. This is a high-tex fabric unit as well, so she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did have to use some heat on this unit because when I took her out the pack, she was a little humpy on the top. I feel like this unit is really pretty. I love this color, but if you want a more natural look, I also got this unit in a natural 1B. This is how she is looking, y'all, in the middle part with the baby hairs flourishing. I think she looks good in the middle part and in the natural color. Slayed down, okay? Give me this one. As far as shedding and tangling, I'm not getting any shedding or tangling with this unit. Oh, the flyaways. The hair texture on this one is not a yaki. It's definitely more of like a thick, silky type of texture, but I'm not mad at it. It doesn't feel horrible. It actually feels pretty good, so you know, I'm here for that. This is how that unit is looking to the side, and then this is how that unit is looking to the back. The hair density is pretty natural. It's one density all the way around. There's no gaps. There's no thinning at the top. This does look pretty good, okay? It does look pretty good. The only thing is the hairline. Now, it does say this unit comes with natural baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairline. I would say the baby hairs they're wispy enough to be natural. They're still pretty long though. The hairline though is not as natural as I think it could be, Outre. So if we're comparing hairlines here. You can't be talking that big ish if you're not bringing the big ish. But the colors, okay, the color options you get for this joint is nice. You also get that parting space up in there, so you can do a lot more hairstyles. I'm definitely feeling some pressure. Ooh, goodness gracious. Around my hairline a little bit, y'all. Yeah, so big head friendly girls, you may get a little pressure up here in the front. So you may not want to wear that elastic band on your head because it'll probably give you a headache throughout the day. So just be mindful of that. Wait, who said that we were doing extra colors? I didn't know anything about no extra colors.
Got to be a B-I-T G-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway.
G-L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S, yeah.
They look good, don't they? They look good. You mad, you mad. We can bring extra colors? Nobody said we couldn't do colors. Oh, you real bougie. You real bougie. You real bougie. I'm not bougie. I just know I look good. Okay, don't. It's not my fault you didn't get extra colors. It's not my fault. Okay, I can do a ponytail too, okay? I got the parting space. I actually have the parting space on mine. I can do a half up, half down. Okay, do you have the parting space? Clown. Huh? No, middle part gang, okay? No, 13 by 4 over here, sweetie. You checking for the wrong hairline. Check for your own. But I can move it all the way around. Okay, you sweating over there, okay? I'm not sweating. I can breathe. But look at my hairline, though. You wish. Whatever, okay, you wish. Don't hate on me because your neck can't breathe. It ain't my problem. It ain't my fault. My hairline look good. You can't do this. You can't do this. Okay, but I got a box. And before you guys ask, my wig-based sweatshirt is from MelenatedKin. They are linked down below, so you guys want to check out their site. You can definitely do that. I do have a coupon code for them so you can shop till you drop. Oh, until your funds run out. You know, whatever comes first. That is all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for both these units down below, so you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.